Hi, I'm Carl Nestor, and I want to welcome you to Web Design 1. We're now in the Getting Started section of the website, and the purpose of this video is to give you an overview of the interface to help give you a more enriched, a really good involvement of the website, to understand where to go, how to use it, what you need to know. Working online sometimes can be very impersonal, and you can feel very isolated. So I'm going to try to do everything possible to make this as engaging and as friendly and as group-involved website as possible. The first thing you'll see is some information about myself. Then you'll see watch this welcome video, which you should be doing right now. Okay. Then we're going to talk about an exercise afterwards to introduce everyone to the course. Here's a section on modules. I'm going to come back to this in just a second. We're going to be using a textbook. We're going to be using this one here on Learning Web Design. This is edition 4. You'll need edition 4. There's a big change between 3 and 4. She's added a lot of information about HTML5, the latest things, and some on JavaScript. This is a very good book for your library. Then you can read this section here about what equipment you'll need for the course. You'll need to have a good working computer. You'll need to have a good monitor that you can see. You're going to need to have a text editor, whether it's for a Mac or a PC. And then you're going to need to have Adobe Photoshop or Photoshop Elements so that you'll be able to manipulate photographs. Now, as we come up here, I want to show you the navigation along the side. The first thing you have here is the home page. This is sort of our home room. So if there's some information, latest information that you need to know, some alert, something that's due, you'll find it here. And this is a page that you'll come just as you would in the home room. The next section we've already gone over, which is the Get Started section. And once the course gets moving, we won't need this section anymore. The two final sections we're going to talk about is the learning modules and the assignments. So let's click on learning modules. There's a series of learning modules that we're going to go through. And each one of these modules builds upon the other one, and it will sort of give you more information so that we learn it in a sequential way. We're going to start with HTML5, get very comfortable with that. Then we're going to deal with CSS, and then we'll learn some more about interactiveness, some of those different things related to that. So let's click on Module 1. In Module 1, you'll see this sheet of paper here, which just has information here that you read, you go through it, and you just sort of read to see what it asks you to do. Then you'll see this other icon, which is a lesson. If you click on this, it will take you into another section, which will have other pages for you to read. Okay. This particular page has a lot with it, but some of the other ones do not have as much to read. Now you also see this view. You'll see there's read, chat room, view, watch. These are different things that tell you to sort of give you an idea of what you're going to be doing through the course. When you see view, you'll have a video here and you can click on it. If for any reason the video doesn't work, you have this link here that you can use. You also have this breadcrumb trail up here, which you'll see that you're in the learning objectives, module 1, lesson 1. So once you're done with this section here, you can click back to Module 1. You've done Lesson 1 here. You see that our next exercise is for a Learnist board. And you can read about how to do that. Then there's Lessons 2, 3, 4, and then a review section. And then down at the bottom, you'll see this pretzel type shape here. You click that. That'll take you to Module 2, and you can move through that. Each one of the assignments that I have for you will have a due date assigned to it, so you can follow along with that. Now, the last section that I want to talk about today is the assignments. Each one of the assignments is given here. For the assignments, I'll provide you text and photographs that you'll use. This is to make you really just focus on learning the website rather than having to write material. Now, here's assignment 1, and then you're going to see here's assignment. Go to assignment 1's position. If you click that, there it is. It will take you to where assignment 1 is within the text. Okay? So you can see exactly where it is. So let's go back to assignments. And here's assignment 1. Gives you all the instructions on what you have to do. So you see that the first one is an HTML web page. just using HTML. Then with the assignment number 2, we're going to learn about using CSS. You will also see down here that this assignment deals with modules 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, we had those different modules. So this assignment here deals with these particular ones here. At the top portion of this will tell you what learning objectives that we're being involved in with this assignment. Okay. Here's what assignment number 3. We're now going to add some images to it. Number 4, we're going to do some interactivity with the use of transitions and transforms and animation. These are the new things that are with HTML5 and CSS. And these are pretty amazing what you can do. And the more creative you can be with it, the better you can do with your own web design courses. Then later on in the course, we're going to be linking pages. Some types, when people teach this course, they go to HTML and they have them link pages together quickly. I don't. I prefer to have you build one page, become very comfortable with it. Then, after we've learned how to really work HTML, adding a link is very simple, and we can do that. When you use links, it takes you to other pages. This is also very important with menus. So there's no reason to get too involved with the menus at first. We'll take each step so we really get comfortable with it, then we move on to a harder topic. After this, we'll then get into the use of videos. Videos are becoming more and more important on web pages. Then the last one down here is the use of forms. I think you'll find this course to be very fun, effective, and once you've completed the course, you're going to be very comfortable with using HTML, CSS, and you'll have a good understanding of what JavaScript is. I want to thank you for being with the course. I'm excited to work with you. I look forward to it. See you on assignment. See you in Module 1.